Hey guys, welcome back to System Test 4 featuring the Silent Night panel. Still the only panel I have 100% working right now. I haven't had enough time to set up the other panels quite yet, but that will come soon, so this won't be the only one I'll feature in these videos. So to start off, I've installed one of these, a ESL, I believe it's 103-1 dual action pull station. This particular one would have started out in life as an RSG T-bar, and they still make these today. I believe Potter and another company rebrand them. And this one came out of my school, so this one's pretty special. For the devices, I have a Siemens U-MCS remote strobe. This one's set to 110 candela, simply because changing the candela on these is kind of a pain. Because you got to pop out this tab and then stick a tiny little flat head in there to adjust it, and honestly I didn't feel like doing that. For the horns, I have a pair of Simplex 2901 horns. This one is a 9838 and this one is a 9846. The key difference being, well, other than of course the trim ring and the silver plate, this is the high output version of this. This one has a current draw of 35 milliamps. This one is 65. Kind of see the label on this one. If it will focus, there you go. So that pretty much means that this horn is higher pitched and louder than this one. But honestly, hearing them side by side, it isn't a huge difference. They're still roughly the same volume. And for the smokes, I still have the Simplex 2098 smoke detector. And then I have this up here, a system sensor. I forget the exact model of this one. It's from the 2400 series, and it uses a magnet test, which I will demonstrate. So, and I have the system set to Temporal 3, and there's something else I should mention about this panel, but I think you're about to find out in a second here. So, here we go. Yeah, so it turns out the SK4 puts out FWR power. And if you know anything about mechanical horns, especially Simplex's horns, they hate FWR. So I've discovered that by accident. Sounds pretty cool though, nonetheless. I like how the strobe flashes just fast enough where it's being coded at Temporal 3 right now. Okay, we'll start with the Simplex detector. This, of course, has the little test hole that you have to hold for 5 seconds. There we go. And now, the 2400 magnet. Whew. These things are loud. Yeah, like I said, the difference in volume isn't that great between the two. Reset this. These are kind of hard to reset one-handed, I will say that. And reset. All right. And I'm waiting for that. There it is. Oh yeah, see acknowledge. And now I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to change the coding back to continuous. Just for some fun. And just for the ease of it, we're going to use this again. So here we go. These things are so loud on FWR, and they sound awful. But, yeah. And as I mentioned, this won't be the only panel in these system tests. Hopefully by next week, knock on wood, I will have at least one more panel up and running. But anyway, that'll do it for this video. So thank you guys for watching and have a good day.